Hi everyone, welcome to another weekly video. This week we're going to be showing you how to use the General Risk Assessment on CareFor IT. Keep watching for a video tutorial on this. Within CareFor IT there are two standard risk assessments available, General and Moving and Handling. The General assessment allows you to log various items. Once selected, you'll be asked to fill out details to create the form. The risk assessment number is auto-generated. However, if you have previously used risk assessments, you are able to overwrite this number. Once you have added all details, you will need to click Create Risk Assessment. You are then able to add multiple rows which cover all the hazards identified. Under each row to the right-hand side there is a button to add additional rows. Please note that once the risk assessment has been signed off, these details can no longer be edited. If all necessary detail has been added, then the risk assessment can be submitted for sign-off. The person responsible can then add the dates the actions were completed and click the sign-off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all our social media platforms.